a tree that is considered the tree of life in the Bicol region. What a fantastic tree it is, introducing Pili Canarium ovatum of the family Borseraceae. The genus Canarium comes from the vernacular name Kinari in the Molucca Isles. The species ovatum derives from Latin meaning oval, referring to the shape of the fruit. Pili is considered the tree of life in the Bicol region because of its many uses. Its wood is generally used for plants, paddy pounders, house framing, musical instruments, and box making. The seed kernel of pili is considered to have a laxative effect. In contrast, emulsion from the crushed kernel is used as an infant's milk substitute and an ingredient for medicinal ointments. Young pili shoots are edible and used for cooking and making green salad. Pili nut is edible, crispy, and delicious, and considered the primary product of the Bicol region. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.